Unscrew the 6 deck screws with a Phillips screwdriver and remove the deck. Stand the batteries upright in the battery tray and follow the wires from the battery terminals to the battery wire connectors. Depress the connector plug block tabs while pulling the 2 plugs apart and remove the batteries. Reinsert the new batteries in the battery container and reconnect the wire connector plugs. Ensure that the plugs are securely locked together and place the wires to the side or beneath the batteries. Replace the deck back onto the scooter, align the holes and tighten the 6 Phillips head screws. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws.